What's up everybody, my name is Ethan from Volkswagen Fall River, and today I just wanted to show you how to use Volkswagen's fully digital gauge cluster. Let's go! Now we are inside the interior of this brand new 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport with the technology package. I just want to show you some of my favorite features with this fully digital gauge cluster, which is operated by these steering wheel controls, which are great. So first, in this first menu, you got some general information. You have your range. What else do you have? You have your energy consumers. It's a cold, windy day in Fall River, so if I hit this, it's going to show me my left heated seat is on and my climate control is on. If I turn that heated seat off, you can see it shows there, it adjusts the graph to show that it is no longer one of my energy consumers. Let's keep going. It shows your speed. It's always great to know how fast you're driving when you're on the road. Now you have your road sign information. This will tell you traffic lights when it'll turn green, the speed limit. It's a great feature to have. What else do we have? You have your oil temperature, your trip. If I go in here, I can reset the trip data by holding in this OK button right there. Volkswagen makes it very easy to do this. Now you have your fuel economy and your general overview of the vehicle. Now this will show you just, a bunch of these facts that are great to have when you're driving. Let's go over to the next menu. Now we're in the assist systems data. Now this Volkswagen is equipped with the VW Travel Assist package. That means that this Volkswagen will help you stay in your lane and actually turn the steering wheel for you when you are getting too close to the edge. It'll also show you up here by kind of lighting up the side of the road. Great feature to have. It's super configurable as well. You have your different modes, you have your side assist, blind spot, all that good stuff. Now let's go to the next screen. This is my favorite screen in the whole car. Once again, the navigation screen. I love it. It's a bunch of great information and it's all super easy to use. You use these arrows to zoom out or zoom in. It's all super easy and it's a great feature to have. Let's go one more. This is your audio. Now you can change this as well. Using these arrows once again, you can scroll through the stations, or if you want to change the source, just hit the source button right here. You can go to FM, AM, or you can go to My Media. Now the My Media is if you have a phone connected and you want to listen to your own personal music that you have downloaded on that phone or watch a YouTube video, you just hit this My Media button right here. And then you have Sirius XM, of course, which this car is equipped with. Now you have your telephone data. If I have my phone connected to this car, this is where I could scroll through all of my contacts and call people. Great feature to have. You don't have to take your eyes off the road with anything in this car. It's all in this digital gauge cluster. Let's go over one more. Now you have your vehicle status. This just tells you some more basic information. Once again, it's like the vehicle overview screen, and it's telling me that I am low on gas. Moving over to some of the other controls in this brand new Atlas. Now what I want to show you is this view button. I saved one of the best features for later in this video. This view button gives you 3 different views of the gauge clusters. Right now I'm in the most minimalistic mode. You can see the gauges are taking up almost no room of this digital gauge cluster. Now I can go to this mode, which shows me some general driving information. Great feature to have. Now the last mode gives you your big standard gauges that everybody is used to. One thing I love about this feature though is that you lose no information no matter which one of the different modes you are in. It's a different way of showing everything. It's all about configurability, making the car truly yours, which is great. I want to show you this heated steering wheel. Now this is great because it actually has 3 different modes, which I've never seen before. You have your most powerful, your second most powerful, and your least powerful. Hit it one more time, it shuts off. You also have your Volkswagen Assist, great feature to have. And this, if you are listening to your phone's music, you can skip track and go back a track, great feature to have. Let's move over to the left side of this steering wheel. Now you have your volume controls, volume up, volume down, straightforward. These are all of your controls for cruise control. Now you have your increase speed, decrease speed. This button right here, you can control the distance from the car in front of you when you have the active cruise control on. This little bar right here shows you right now I am set to the furthest position away from the car in front of me. Hit it once, it'll go to the lowest, second lowest, medium, pretty far away, and then very far away. Great feature to have. You have your set cruise control, reset cruise control, and this turns on that Volkswagen Travel Assist that I was talking about earlier. My name is Ethan, and that was how to use Volkswagen's fully digital gauge cluster. Thank you for watching. We'll be right back.